Hi, we're back out here at Boyd Hill Nature Preserve, St. Petersburg, Florida, in South St. Pete. And just got done biking about 9 miles through the trails back here, longer trails. And there's a shorter trail here on the way back to the front entrance where some of the animals are kept. I guess there's some animals, caged animals in here, eagles and whatnot. We're gonna go check those out. But we're gonna take a quick walk on Wax Myrtle Pond Loop. Somebody said it's good for sightseeing, like armadillos or something, I guess, all over the place. Let's see if we can find any. That was just a squirrel there. Not seeing any. Huh. Oh, wait a minute. Whoa, there's one. There's one. Holy moly. Hope we don't get attacked here. Hope we don't get attacked. That's a big armadillo right there. That thing's big. Yeah, that's a good sized armadillo right there. He's not moving either, he's just kind of sitting there staring us down. Huh. Alright, well, we'll leave him alone in case he starts, we don't want him to start getting mad for any reason. See you, dude. So I guess they were right, there are armadillos down here. There's a little lake out here in the middle. I think it just goes around, so this is the Wax Myrtle Pond Loop. Not real big, but sure is a big armadillo out there on it. And then there's you can see, like, here's the little lake here. And I see squirrels, but alright, I guess, well, let's head back to the trails here and head out and oh Jesus, this guy scared me. There's another one. There's another one. Holy moly. These things are everywhere down here. If you come down here, man, don't bring your kids, they're gonna get eaten alive. Stay right there, buddy. Not here to hurt you. Look at the tail. Wow. It's big. Alright, well, you're my witness. All you watching this are my witnesses. The large armadillos do exist down here at Boyd Hill Nature Park or Preserve. Alright, with that said, we're going to go head up and check out the animals before we get attacked. Bye.